song. No. Oh, the song didn't play. Hold on. Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Lanier Community Hour. We got a song. Where's our song? We need a song.
The future of the chain. We're breaking every limit. Yeah. Microchains in motion, scale into the sky. Transactions lightning fast, no waiting in line. Blossom in the code, smart contracts ignite. Building dreams together, the future's in sight. Rising higher, breaking every wall. The mirror's the fire, we're answering the call. The network's growing, it's time to take the lead. With every block we're showing, innovation's what we need. The future of the chain. We're breaking every limit. Yeah.
All right, we are back to Microchains. The song worked. Sorry, everybody. I forgot to set up the stream, and then the song wasn't working. But we're back, and we're here with our friend
Danny's
Paxi.
still in vacation mode.
I'm what? Say it again.
You're still in vacation mode.
Oh, I'm still in
Come back
vacation
to
mode,
work.
right? I missed it last week. You know, it's hard to come back from vacation. You're out of the groove. You know what it is?
Yeah.
But we're here. We're here.
You did it.
Josiah.
You did it. It's all good.
We have a special guest on the Community Hour. Paxi, welcome. We're so glad you're here.
Hello, guys. Team Lanera. I love the song. It looked
Thank
like
you.
Bart Simpson.
Yes. I think our community advisor Yugoslav put that together. We love the song, and we've been using it as the start. It's a good one. Josiah, Jules, how you guys feeling today?
Yeah, Danny, I'm excited. You know, sometimes the best community hours start this way. So I'm super
Start
excited
with a
for
little
today's
chaos.
super excited
Right?
for
I'm
today's
feeling
community
pumped.
hour. And I'm happy to have,
Already.
Paxi as the guest. So
It's great to be here, guys.
Yeah. So let's get it done and started.
Before we
Paxi.
even fully get it started, Paxi, before we started the Community Hour, Paxi was like, "Hey, Jules, Josiah, why'd you guys join Lanera?" And I was like, "Hold it, I want them to share this with everybody, not just in this little private setting." So I don't know. I can't
Yes.
believe it's been a year and a half, Jules and
yeah,
Josiah. That is, oh my God, it's crazy.
yeah.
What made you do it? Why Lanera?
So yeah, I think I could go first, right? So first of all, I've been a part of the Linera community since 2023, right? So that was way before I started working with the community. But there was one thing which really drew me to Linera was it was a very different, different approach to the blockchain, different idea around the blockchain, right? And I've been in the blockchain space for a while, and I honestly did not see anything like that. Right. So from the actual architecture standpoint, it was mind-blowing also because of the community, right? So Linera's approach to community building is so different, right? We pay so much attention to the community, get everyone involved, and things like that just always make me feel like, this is the best place to be. And the more I learn about Linera, the more I fall in love with Linera, and the more I want to stay. So that's kind of high level my story with Linera. And Danny played a major role in that. So shout out to Danny or Deej for today.
And for Meme Queen, what brought you to
Yeah.
Lanera?
One of the reasons I joined, just as Jay had spoken, is the community. The Linera community is one of the best out there for real, Paxi. And
Give me an example. Everybody always says community. Give me
You're
one
gonna see.
example.
By the end of the community call. By the end of the community call, I feel like you have the answer.
you need to experience it.
Give me an example. What is different between the Lanera community and everybody else?
First of all, Paxi, we make the best memes. That's the first thing. That's the first thing I would say. We make the best memes, and you're going to find out for sure, right?
Okay.
I'll say what my piece on that, which is like, it's really like, obviously we're born as a crypto project, but like it's not about kind of number go up, at least not in this stage of our project. It's really just about games and memes and laughing. Like we laugh together every single week, right? And I
Yes.
think that being able to come together every single week and laugh together, I think is somewhat distinct. I think in the world of
Hmm.
crypto, I don't know. And also there's games, there's like all this. I think we've created a pretty cool like gamification system that feels pretty fair and transparent. And so people know how to kind of level up, and there's a variety of different ways to do that. And that just kind of makes it kind of fun. And I think that we also really value relationships, right? So it's not just
Yes,
about kind of
absolutely.
leveling up on its own. It's about trying to connect it with each other, give
Yeah.
personal attention, treat people like real people, as opposed to just kind of like, a number or, something like that. And that's kind of, I think, the values and the approach that we've taken.
Hmm.
And having some amazing mods, and then the mods helping to bring on an amazing group of community advisors. We got about 150 community advisors or so who are like members of the community, volunteers who like really contribute
Nice.
in meaningful ways. I think that structure has, really just blossomed over the last couple, I guess, a year and a half, and it's kind of gone well.
Super.
That's my
This
two
is
cents.
why, this is why we get on, because at Stacks, same thing. We laugh a lot. Even things are like going in different direction than we expected. We're
Yeah.
still laughing.
And chat, like you weigh in, chat, if there's something that you think is like distinct about the Linera community, or why are you choosing to spend your time right now wherever you are in the world? Some people, I think it's like midnight where you are. Why are you spending your time showing up here, every single week, or even maybe this is in your first week? Let us know, and we'll highlight your comment too. All right. Some people like the games.
Especially puzzle.
Yeah.
I like-
And there was a request for the password, so let's just get into that as well. So, oh, what happened? Nope, that's not it. There it is. Okay, there's a secret password. So we give away a POAP, and there's a secret word. So you got to guess the secret word or secret words, secret phrase. 3 words, 9 letters, 4 letters, 4 letters, and the first person to guess gets a special prize, and then we give away 500 POAPs. You really got to be. It's like a race to give away to get your POAP. They kind of disappear within the like 60 or like 2 minutes, 60 seconds, 2 minutes, like really really fast. So I don't even remember what the password is right now, so I can't cheat. But when somebody gets it, wait, what? I forget. I totally forget. Do you guys remember? Because someone's gonna guess it, and then I gotta remember, and then we gotta be able to. What's the password again? All right, I'm looking it up on the side here. Okay, now I remember. Okay, all right. We'll wait to see. All right, let's get through it. We got so much to talk about. Paxi, we're gonna hand it over to you as we talk to our explorers, people who are interested in learning about Linera, because you come from Stacks, which is a partner project of Linera. We announced this partnership about a week and a half ago. We did a dev
Yep.
workshop this past week. Tell us a little bit about what you guys are doing, because I think it's one of the coolest projects out there.
Well, you had Alexandra on Tuesday, right? So the tech, it's super exciting. Very love Mathieu and Nick and Patil and everybody, Team Linera. Thank you so much. We've been working now for about, I would say 6-7 months. Met earlier this year live, actually in person in Cannes, and prior to that, just online. We are all about real world assets. So we are building Web3 tools for industry, so critical infrastructure. So the Stacks, in essence, we connect machines and devices, cars, drones, robotics, right? And those machines and devices will, as you all know, at some point will need to transact with one another, and we'll need to get paid, etc. And we're not a blockchain, so therefore we need to work, you guys, for example, to have a distributed ledger where all this data goes, signatures, hashes, and verify it. And so we have a trusted data chain for all these machines and devices. So that's basically in a nutshell. It's been really exciting because we're actually using blockchain, right? And the technology, all the Web3 technology, smart contracts, etc., for something real. This is not easy. I would say all the other stuff that all the other guys are building is much more straightforward, easier to explain, much more fun sometimes. But we're doing something for the critical infrastructure because we believe in a machine economy. So this is why we're blessed to meet you guys, because alone is just very lonely, and we could have never done this and pull it off. So as you know, we're sitting on public city buses actually in Germany, Latin America. We now have a project, etc. So it's been really exciting. So apart from city buses that Stacks sit on, we've had a drone project for instant payment for actual data that the drone collects. And so it's been a whirlwind, but we see where this is going, and it's very exciting.
Yeah, let me do my take, and you can tell me if I'm being accurate about this. So it was a really cool developer workshop with Alexandra, the founder of Stacks, on Tuesday. So basically, everybody knows that like the world is becoming more connected, right? Digitally connected, right? And the question is, how do all these various different devices talk to each other, right? If you have an iPhone and an iWatch, like I go do, like they obviously talk to each other, right? They're connected. That's pretty easy. It's all part of the same kind of Apple ecosystem. But if you think about much, much larger systems, like the buses in Germany, like all the buses in Germany, and you need to have some sort of shared data across large systems, even like interconnected cities, right? Municipalities or things like that. How do you create these connections? And what Stacks is doing is really thinking about the Internet of Things, IoT, or like DeepIN, right? Decentralized physical infrastructure networks, and trying to create software that connects all of these things. And they needed a blockchain partner, right? Or you're looking for a blockchain partner that can help kind of scale at the size and scope that Stacks is building, right? And so the thing that blew my mind that the single stat was, right now there's like a test you guys are doing with 80 buses in Germany, and with the 80 buses, there are 1 billion transactions per day, right? That you're kind of trying to look at. Yeah, that's like 12,000 a second, right? Just on the 80 buses. Now, putting that on chain, unsustainable right now. Costs are too high. The blockchains can't support 12,000 per second. Enter Linera, which is horizontally scalable with microchains. Every single bus can have its own microchain, and we can now scale 80 buses to 100 buses to 1,000 buses, and then kind of like go from there. And so, like, understanding that scope and scale, and understanding that you need a blockchain infrastructure that was able to kind of scale horizontally, made it seem like, oh wow, what a perfect partnership.
Right. That's why you guys are going to be increasingly more critical, right, for the success of all these infrastructure projects. To be fair, right now, it depends on how many data points. We now collect 10 data points, but as you said, there is so much more data points that will need to be going on chain. So signature and hashes of that, the metadata, will go on chain. So we don't push everything out right now, not the billion of data points, but every bus has a number of data types. And obviously, do we measure, like, do we share per 5 seconds or 10 seconds? What is really critical is CCTV. So every bus has 6 to 12 cameras. Yeah. And can you imagine the video reel that will come off of these buses? And this data will be served as proof of what happened in a bus. So if an incident happened that needs to be reported, for example, so you will see massive amount of data that will need to be secured, verified, trusted, and at some point also certified for a proof in court. We've seen in different countries already that court accepts this as proof. So there's a number of countries, including actually China, US, UK, Italy. that they
I'm a
use
little
this.
scared about the surveillance state that you're
I
talking
know, I
about,
know,
but
I know. This
you
is
know,
why trust is important. Not everybody,
right,
well, actually, if you think about it, right, it needs to stay in the right hands, first and
right,
foremost. So
right,
security is very important. This is so
yeah,
critical. And second,
right,
can you imagine this massive amount of data and we throw AI on it? And
right,
how am I going to trust this is even data that was coming from a certain device at a certain time? Because it can be manipulated. So this is
right.
why actually what we're working on together will be super critical.
Crazy,
Otherwise, we're going to
crazy
have your
cool.
face on certain incidents that happened on German buses. You can imagine what will happen then.
It's been a couple years since I was in Germany. I was there, what was that, 2022, I think. I'd like to go back. Anyway, really
Anytime.
cool. Yeah, would love it.
Well, we're
Really
launching the
cool what you
bus
guys are doing.
project in Q1, so maybe
Hmm.
Lanera can come out and go
Yes,
launch
love it.
this, and you can do a live, community hour.
Huge, huge. For
Germany,
straight from Germany. I love that.
exactly.
Really big vision what you guys are doing. Really, really cool. We're super excited to be connected to you guys. And yeah, if anybody wants to go deeper on it, check out the developer workshop that we did with Alexandra, the founder of Stacks, on Tuesday. It's an hour-long conversation and goes into much greater depth. And yeah, check that out. So let's keep going through the community hours. Paxi, stay with us. You're going
Yes.
to experience all the fun. Okay, what else happened this past week for everybody to pay attention to? Matthew did a really cool podcast with ACC, Stephen from ACC, and he spoke about how Linera has kind of shifted its vision over time from, obviously a microchain architecture that's really good for deep in projects like Stacks, but we're doubling down on prediction markets because we just see it as such a powerful use case for the future. So really cool conversation. Also, we put in a portal challenge as well. So you can earn some points by tweeting about the spaces. So check that out and take a deep dive on where Linera is going right there. Okay. A blog was posted about this, how Polymarket spent $10 million to make prediction markets work. So thinking about prediction markets, Polymarket is obviously the decentralized leader right now, probably head to head with Kalshi, which is like a centralized product still. And Polymarket invested a huge amount of money to bootstrap liquidity. And liquidity is so important to making prediction markets work. So it's part of the design. And and so very, oh, we got it. I knew it was coming. I could feel it. I can feel it. I can
Wow.
feel it coming. There it is. Maria wins. Let's drop it in so that you know what I'm talking about. Unskip. Boom. That's the password. Fill it in. Get your POAP. We got a winner. I'm trying to get my POAP right now. Liquidity isn't. Am I going to make it? Am I going to make it? Or am I going to be too late? Oh, I think it worked. So good job. Liquidity isn't, luck is the password. I knew I was going to give you a big hint by putting on this slide, but someone still got it. Boom. All right. Anyway, read the blog, not just because it's a POAP, but also because it's an interesting blog and really helps to showcase where we're going and why we think Linera is such a powerful infrastructure for prediction markets. Uh-oh, we lost Jules. Hopefully Jules comes back. We missed him. Also, we should make sure that we give some extra love to Maria, who was the first person to get this. So Maria, drop in your Discord username and we can give you a bit of extra XP for being the person who guessed it. Good job. Boom. Next slide. Another partnership announcement. We will have AI Nexus as a partner in the future here on the Community Hour. AI Nexus, very cool project that is not just a crypto project, right? They build mobile games. So it's pretty cool. I mean, let me just show this. If I click on this, I can show you a little bit about their website, right? Like it's like this whole metaverse AI project. They launched their token on Metaverse X, but they've continued to build beyond it. So they got all these mobile games, and this clone machine is very cool. So basically, you can create your own clone. You can create your own clone based on your Twitter profile, right? So you like connect your Twitter profile, your X profile, and it will like look at everything that you've tweeted and then like create a clone in your voice accordingly. There's
Wow.
that's Jules Beck. And you know, the partnership is going to be that every single clone is going to basically have its own microchain. It will be able to do blockchain transactions and play games, all kind of built on top of Microchain. So I'm very excited about this project. We're going to be talking about a lot in the future, and we'll have them on the community hour and all this cool stuff. So just get excited. Keep your eyes open for more on them. All right, what else? Okay, we're gonna keep moving. Can you clone yourself? Absolutely. That's the whole idea. All right, developers, get the role at guild.xyz/Lanera, so you can join the conversation on Discord. We are in wave 2 of the 6-wave build-a-thon. And we are currently in the evaluation phase, November 17th through 20th. We're almost done with the evaluation phase. Today is the final kind of evaluation day, and it ends in about 20 hours, I think, from now. Yeah, 58 projects. Did I do something? Yeah, 58 submissions in this wave, which was really great. Some used the template or provided a live demo link running against Testred Conway, and others did not. So we're going through and doing the evaluation right now, and we're going to be giving away 5,000 USDC in this wave. That grant increases every single wave. So next wave, it's going to be even bigger, something like 7,000, right? I think it says it here, right? So right now, 5,000, and then next wave, it'll be 7,000. So the competition gets more and more steep as we go, and the prize money gets bigger and bigger. So it's going to be pretty cool. I really like this wave process to the build-a-thon. It's really great to see the projects continuing to get better and better as we go through. So very, very cool. Join the conversation again on dev chat by getting the developer role on Discord. If you're one of the builders, ask questions, share your code in advance to kind of get some feedback from other community builders, like help each other, right? That's kind of the point here. All right. Okay. To the DGens who want to earn XP. We already mentioned one thing. There's a new social challenge on the portal. So maybe Paxy's not the only person who's your first time here on the call, so let's explain this real fast for everybody. Jules or Josiah, do you want to take over? You guys can explain. Josiah, do you want to explain a little bit about earning XP on Discord and leveling up your chains?
Yeah, absolutely, Danny. So in case it's your first time, and also for Paxy, right? So we have what is called like Discord XPs, right? Where people could earn and level up their chains, right? So you bronze chain, silver chain, gold chain, platinum chains being the highest. Right, and there's so many things you could do because we sort of welcome, you know, people that have different skills and different interests, right? So if one of your interests is to play games, we have, you know, global games in the community. We have regional games, which we're still going to talk a little bit about during the course of the community hour. If you're someone that is creative, you like jokes, you like memes, right? You definitely could make memes. These memes get featured in the community hour. You get to receive XPs. You're someone that is creative. You have an eye for art. We definitely welcome that. Be it, you know, hand-drawn arts, whatever it is, you know. As long as you're creative, right, you make art, you definitely could get XPs for that. You create amazing social posts, right? You know, detailed threads about Lanera. It could be, you know, art infused threads, right? Whatever it is, right? Amazing social posts gets you to earn XPs. And we also have a category for people that, you know, are just awesome, right? So it's almost any and everything goes, right? You're someone that is just awesome. You do something out of the box. you definitely get random XPs, right? So yes, that's how you get to level up your chains and hopefully, get to platinum chains, as we just have a handful of people in platinum chains at the moment. So yes, I think that
Yeah.
that does the job.
How many
Yeah.
people? I think I
4
want to look
people,
at
I
this.
think.
4 people have
Yes.
reached. Yeah, I mean, like we've been doing this for a long time, so it's very difficult to get your platinum chains. You need to get to level 50, I think.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get this
Yeah, but
page working. Here it is.
Danny, yeah, I think we also have like a good amount of gold chain holders and silver
Yeah.
chain holders, which is really good as well.
Oh yeah, for sure, for sure. Right. The leaderboard is here. So shout out to those 4 people who've reached platinum, and then to all of our gold chains and silver and bronze.
Yeah.
And then Jules, are you there, Jules? Is your mic working, Jules?
Yeah, Danny, I'm here. I'm just trying
All right.
to tidy up some things in the back
Okay.
end.
No
Yeah.
worries. No worries. Then I'll talk. The portal.
Thank you.
So this is our Conway testnet Conway portal. Conway is the third version of our testnet. We started with A, Archimedes, B, Babbage, and now C, Conway. And during testnet Conway, we launched this portal that has, a chance to learn about Linera, take a little quiz. It launched the Game of Life, which is a cool puzzle app that runs on Microchains, and has a bunch of other quests, including daily quests, social challenges, and then of course the Game of Life puzzles. And so I heard that Bataman is up to like
65.
65 days of his daily
Yeah,
check-in. That's pretty
Wow.
impressive. Uh,
that's so cool.
I'm at 4 in my daily streak right now. Josiah, how many you at? Are you not going
That's
to tell us?
embarrassing.
That's embarrassing. Man.
As the community leader, you're not really blowing it out of the waters here.
You mean rank of 82,000th is embarrassing?
Oh, it's a rank. I thought the check-in.
No. Only 4 streak on check-in, and my rank is 82,000, which is
Okay,
definitely
okay.
not very impressive.
I thought your check-ins were 4. I'm like, that's
No, it's 4 in a row. 4 in a row.
Okay.
I've had, 31 total check-ins, I think it says it here. But only 4 in a row. It's because I have a hard time on the weekends remembering to check in. So I kind of start over every week. There we go. Shoop's at 1. Everybody do your daily check-in right now. At least you get 1.
Yeah,
Oh, we got
come
another
on,
65.
people. 65, nice.
That's pretty impressive. Yeah. All right, 4. Oh, okay, I'm getting more dunked on here. Danny, bro.
I know. I'm with you.
Oh, Mute has something nice to say.
Wow.
Loves your hair. Loves your hair. I love it. See, that's why the Linera community is good. We both dunk on each other and also compliment each other. Josiah
Danny,
won't even tell us how many he's at.
Danny, just before I answer that, someone is asking for a link to the portal. So
Oh.
which I think is
Yeah, sure. Just put it here. It's literally linera.io/testnet.
I'll get our
Okay.
team on it too.
Here, just straight up. Easy. Easy.
nice.
It's also portal.linera.net, but that's much harder to remember in my mind. So, cool. Okay, Josiah, are you changing the topic or are you answering the
Yeah,
question?
yes, I'm changing the topic.
That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Game of Life. There are, I guess, I'm going to embarrass myself here as well. I have not completed the new puzzles on Game of Life. They're freaking hard. They're really hard.
Yeah.
So yeah, these are very hard puzzles, especially, I mean, there's some medium ones and there's some hard ones. And then there's the expert level one that is just like absolutely insane. So, I think you get 125 points if you complete it, which is like also kind of insane. Yeah,
Who
right.
comes up with these puzzles?
The founder of Lanera, Matthew Bidet.
Oh, of course. And
That's
forget
how.
it. You're not
Yeah,
gonna break
I mean, it was actually cool talking to Matthew about this because so the Game of Life is actually created by this mathematician named Conway, right? So we named our testnet after this mathematician. He created the Game of Life, which is this. It's a puzzle, but it's a simulation that like a cellular simulation about like cells that live and die depending on their proximity to other things. And so there's all these kind of mathematical insights that have come from this algorithm. And so Matthew has been like following this because Matthew's like, a big nerd who we all love. He's been following this for like, his entire life. He discovered this when he was a kid. And so it was like really cool, like passion project for him to kind of like build it on Lanera and then to kind of like do these puzzles. So you can go online and like find maybe not direct solutions to our puzzles, but at least like the insights that would lead you to the solution.
Got it.
And then we have lots of big points for doing the complicated ones. So it's if you're a puzzle person, it's very fun. If you're not a puzzle person, it's just going to drive you crazy. Josiah, how many puzzles have you completed?
Oh my gosh.
Danny always puts me on the spot. He always puts me on the spot, Danny.
Changing the topic yet again.
Danny, please don't ask me.
I didn't ask you.
Thank you very much.
But you know what? You are awesome. So you can earn points by being awesome.
There you go.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right? So funny. Well, in just a minute, Josiah will explain why he's 11th place. So, community advisors, we got some new community advisors. Shout out to Shahid, Mad Science, and Kubville, new community advisors in these different categories. Every week or 2 weeks, we add just a couple of new community advisors who've really spent months and months and months like contributing to the community in meaningful ways. So newbie navigators are, this is the kind of the key community advisors. Newbie navigators are active in Discord. They're helpful. They're consistent. They show up. They're friendly. They provide accurate information, and they often help to lead regional game tournaments. So some newbie navigators are really active in just main chat. Others are really active in their regional communities. Each regional community has 1 or 2 regional mods that help to lead those communities. They now also give out XP for the games that the regional communities play. Ambassadors are really about kind of spreading the word beyond our community. So on X and creating really original content. We'll look at some of that content in just a minute. Artisans as well, amazing art. We'll look at some of the best art from the community in just a minute from this past week. Meme Lords win 5 meme challenges, and Game Lords win 3 community game tournaments and then help to facilitate games. So, we got a legend. Who's the legend this week? Oh, wow, in person.
Yeah.
Love this. All right. Who put this together? Was this Gordon?
Yeah.
All right. Well, then I'll speak to it.
Yeah.
All right. So Gordon, our AI community mod put together this amazing slide about Zhao KK, who is one of the longest standing builders based in China and has been actually created a whole course in Chinese about how to program on Lanera, and has been promoting that course and spoke recently at a conference, the Rust Developer Conference, about Lanera and about the project that he is building on Lanera. So very, very, very cool. And love the fact that we actually have an in-life person photo here between Matthew and Zhao KK. So shout out to you. Huge, huge, huge contribution to the Lanera community. You're a legend. Regions. So always looking to bring on new regions. Where did you say, Paxi, you are in the
Today I'm in
Maldives
Malta,
or something? Malta.
Today I'm in Malta, but the company stacks is in Germany.
We do not have a German. You can see it's not filled out. We don't have a German region yet.
We can fix that.
Yes, we need a German.
Yes.
We need a German region for Linera, and we would love to have to grow our German community. So that's obviously on our list here on
Great.
deck. So yeah, love that. Basically, the way it works is people create a Telegram group and start kind of bringing people onto the Telegram group. Once that group has kind of been active for a little while and has a kind of a core group of people, then we can create a Discord channel as well, and grow it there. So we have a little bit more involvement on the Discord side. The Telegram side is a little more kind of decentralized, shall we say.
Right. Okay.
Oh my gosh. No, India's right there. What are you talking about? India's not missing. It's like totally filled in. Work on your geography. Yeah. Anyway, so that's our regions. And speaking of region, we'll come back to the regional tournaments in just a minute. But let's talk about the progress toward Meme Lord and Game Lord. Josiah, how are we doing on our meme? Oh, no. Jules, how are we doing on our meme challenges?
From the meme side, no new addition yet.
Okay.
Yeah, so
We're getting close though. We
waiting.
got a few people who are on the cusp of getting 5 wins.
Yeah.
Canels, for example. Canels, yeah. So
Rising up. And then on the game side, Josiah.
Yeah, Danny. So for the game load leaderboard, we had 2 additions, right? TMBH and Jack got added to the game load leaderboard. And now to the part
Nice.
I dread the most, right? Which Danny makes me talk about every time is so for just to explain a little bit, right? For some of us that are new and some of our friends from Stacks that might be wondering why we have an 11th place Josiah board, right? So initially in the linear community, when we play game tournaments, right? And we basically reward the top 10. And for some reason, I was always ending up 11th, right? So no matter how much I try, I always ended up 11th place, which was like the glorified losing position, right? So it became a meme in the community and it kind of stuck, right? So it's and now we now have like a Josiah board, which is like to say, it's like a loser board basically, right?
Don't call it a loser board.
That's why we changed it to a Josiah board.
Exactly.
But yeah, so now what happens is if you end up 11th place, you just get added to the Josiah board, and if you win a tournament, you get removed from the Josiah board, right? So we had 2 additions, Gillian King and Saiyan Raw 7. Right. Hopefully, I'm rooting for you guys to really win a game tournament and get removed. I would, be happy to remove your name from the Josiah board. But yes, so shout out to you guys and keep joining the tournament, keep having fun, and also keep earning XP as you do that as well. So yeah, regional tournaments, like I always say, shout out to all the regional mods, the newbie navigators, and all the active members of the various regions that are helping to hold regional tournaments. And one thing I would also like to say for those that might be wondering, right? So we kind of have a cap, right? So cap of like 10 games per region, right? So shout out to the Iran region, which is like having the maximum number of games per week, right? So shout out to Hossein, the regional mod, and everyone, working together.
Josiah, we lost. Wait, all of Nigeria just went down.
He got too excited.
Josiah, okay, Jules is back. Josiah, we lost your audio for some reason. Can you hear my audio? Yeah.
Yep.
I'm still here. Okay.
Yep.
All right. Well,
Yep.
hopefully Josiah comes back. I'll kick him out, and then hopefully he can join Reback. Josiah, you there? You there? Anyway, I'll keep talking. Awesome regional tournaments that are going on, sometimes daily. You can earn XP by competing in your regional tournaments. And again, if you're not part of one of these regions, we do have our community-wide tournaments that you can join on a weekly basis as well. Yeah, definitely shout out to Iran for 10 tournaments in a week, which is the maximum number that is allowed. Okay, we got a poker tournament coming up on Friday, 12 p.m. UTC. First place is 5,000 XP, so that's big time. And try not to get 11th place. If you get 11th place, you only get 11 XP. See that? That's you'd rather have 12th place than 11th place. That's for sure. Check out the event in Discord so that you can join the tournament this coming Friday. Okay, looks like nope. Josiah's. Can we get him back? Nope. Device not connected. There we go. Josiah, you back? No. Still doesn't work. Too bad. All right, keep going. Okay, well, this is usually Josiah's section, so
Can you hear me?
I can.
So sorry, for some reason I mistakenly disconnected from my Wi-Fi, but I'm back now.
It happens.
My apologies.
It happens.
My apologies. Yeah, Danny, I was going to say something before we do this. Danny, can I quickly say something about the poker tournament? Right.
Yeah.
So,
please.
Yes. Yes. So for those that notice, it's like a poker tournament this Friday, right? And one of the reasons is because developers are constantly making upgrades to their game, right? So for instance, Flappy just migrated to like a new version of the game, right? So he's working to put things in order to make do for better tournaments and better experience while playing the game. So I just needed to point that out. So but for this poker tournament, you still get to earn the same amount of XPs as you would typically. So yes, I really wanted to point that out, Danny. So thank you.
Yeah, for context, so usually on Fridays we do games on Microchains, which are games that are actually built on Linera's testnet. But since the builders are upgrading their games for the build-a-thon right now, we're just doing a poker tournament instead of a game on Microchain. That's what you're saying.
Yes, absolutely. Spot on, Danny. Spot on. Yes. Right. This is Danny. Yeah, you can cue the drum rolls right now. So basically for those that are new, what we do is we ask a question, right, and you get to NXPs, Discord XPs on the call, right? And today's question, if you've been following, if you've been reading the slides, you definitely should be able to answer, to this question. So Danny, next slide, I'll read the question, and the first person that responds gets the XPs in Discord. So yeah, question is, Linera and Stacks partner to validate real-world telemetry data on the blockchain, which was initially tested with 10 buses processing up to how many transactions daily? I'll read the question again. Linera and Stacks partner to validate real-world telemetry data on the blockchain. Oh my God, I think we have an answer already. But anyway, which was initially tested with 10 buses processing up to how many transactions daily? So, Daniel, just to mention, right, this was not explicitly mentioned, but this was in the slide, right? So this was captured in the slide, in the partnership where we spoke about the partnership, right? But the exact numbers were not mentioned.
Fact. No, not fact.
But I think we have our answer already.
No, what's the answer? I don't even remember. I said a bunch of things, but then you said it was related to the slide. 1 million. 10 buses processing up to 1 million.
1 million transactions.
Okay, so just I want to correct the record slightly. So this hasn't already happened, right? This is kind of the plan for the future, is that we're going to be testing on 10 buses.
This has happened. This is what we're doing today. We actually are on more than 10 city buses. We are on almost 100 city buses.
Got it.
10 city buses, yes, 1 million transactions daily. That is why we need Linera, right? On a normal chain, this would be a disaster. So this is why.
Right. Okay, so already the data is being collected on whatever 80 buses, a billion transactions per day.
Absolutely.
That's what I said. 1 billion earlier was 1 billion per day.
But that was
on
for 100
80.
buses.
But that's not all on chain, right? That's being done off chain. And so now when we're thinking about kind of validated data, that should be put on chain, which obviously is not every piece of data, just some data. That's what's going to be this initial test of 10 buses to put 1 million transactions per day on Linera. So that's just to explain the two things. Josiah, so who won the prize? Who won the 1,000 XP?
Silver was the first person to get it correct. Shout out to you. I definitely know your Discord ID, so you'd get to receive your XPs, your 1,000 XPs right now.
Cool. All right, we got so much content to get through. Our favorite part of the whole community hour is the one where we showcase all of our creators. So we start with our social posts. Shout out to the ambassadors who selected the best social posts from the week. So first, wow, look at that. By Sivra.
Nice.
Sivra not only winning the challenge, but also the first social post that we want to showcase. So
Nice.
that's super cool. Nice imagery. Shout out to the Build-a-thon and prediction markets. With Linera's microchains, every trade settles instantly and every outcome lands on chain in real time. So nice infographic and cool stuff. So, okay. Shout out to you. Double time. Crypto Father, Alex, Arshinov, and Crypto Julie. The other thing what we like about some of these posts is they, sometimes people spend a lot of time creating a really cool post, even if they don't have a lot of followers. And so it's a chance for us to kind of showcase some really cool content, even if it didn't go viral, just to kind of reward those people for putting in the effort.
Yeah,
So,
that's great. Talented people.
Shout out to you guys. Cool. So this is about the AI Nexus partnership and the AI clones. AI Nexus is building a future where your digital twin doesn't just exist, it learns, plays, evolves, and competes in real time, obviously in the future on microchains as well. So thank you, Alexander. Nina, one of our ambassadors. Okay.
I
Got
love
the whole
it.
microchain situation going on, and shouting out about the stocks partnership. Very cool. Full explanation.
Super.
Love this. Yeah, that's a really cool. We can also there's we can retweet this as well,
Yes,
and
please.
get some more audience, Stacks audience to see it as well.
Yep.
Rickog, cool infographic about testnet Conway. Learn more at Linera_IO. Versus, I like this one. Kind of playing off the game of life, kind of pixelated thing. Very cool. Cool graphic. And not just another L1. Red-haired and new era. Another one of the kind of prompts that we've created for around Linera. The structure allows agents to process locally on users' devices while maintaining verifiable links to the blockchain. Very cool. More on not just another one. This is very cool art. Sometimes I feel like we're just celebrating the art in the social post section because the art's so cool. Very cool. And okay, speaking of art, so Artisans, Artems, Coliseum, JJ, Origin, and YOLO, thank you for picking out some of the best art from the community this past week. Oh, this is cool. Different look. So another one, a hand-drawn. Yeah, right? That's neat.
Nice.
Don't be late, be real time.
Like
Kind of got looks like, yeah, the wristwatch is cool. It looks like snake eyes a little bit. That's neat.
Linera eyes.
Yeah. Aliska, Masa, and Quelapis. Looks like more kind of hand-drawn stuff, not AI stuff. So shout out to all the people who are actually spending the time to do hand-drawn stuff. Very cool. Don't be late, be real time.
I don't think these are hand-drawn, Danny.
Oh, these are? Okay. Kind of has that look to it a little bit, but I guess maybe not. Cool. What else we got? Shout out Cardinal Mute, Sviatoslav, and Finn. Oh, look at it's us playing Smash Card, guys.
Yeah. I know I'll win, but anyway.
And Mute is like creating all these characters, which I think is just so cute and so much fun. We showcased this character in last week's the thumbnail for Community Hour last week, but it looks like there's more characters coming, which is very cool.
Yeah.
Elena and Andres. Josiah, that's you playing the bottom right.
Yeah. Unfortunately, I would end up 11th place, but I have to try.
Above, I guess, is the game itself. Linares Microchains. Level up. I want to play the game. That looks fun. I love pixel
Yeah.
games. Ooh, some video
Oh,
stuff.
nice.
What is going on there? What
Hey.
was this at the end? Oh, oh my gosh, they're like little figurines.
Ooh,
Yeah, it's cool.
Wow. Oh my
that's
gosh.
really nice.
I want that Meebit. I like it. Another one, kind of like me. Very cool. Shout out Cybermoon, Jeb and Raj, Tamara. Play together. I did play them together. All right. Cool. That worked. So here's some handmade stuff. Oh, I love the robots playing chess. Who wants to play chess? I'm into it. Whoa, this is intense. Very loud in my ears. Very dramatic drawing.
I think the background music fits the character.
Wow.
It's so loud. Was it loud for you guys? It was like very loud for me.
Super cool though. Oh wow,
Yeah.
look at
I love it. I
Oh,
love
nice.
Wow.
it. Yeah.
Look at that. Wait, look at
I
the
love the
ending.
transformation.
Yeah.
That was
Just
nice.
so you can see it, right?
Ooh.
That's
And a
dope. Dope
scary
character.
rabbit. A
Scary
ninja
rabbit.
rabbit.
Ninja rabbit. And then we're going camping, guys. So cute. Like Josiah's already in his sleeping bag. The
Gotta get
fire's not
some
warm
rest.
enough for Josiah. Wow, look at this stuff. This is incredible.
Oh,
Oh my god, look at this. Oh my gosh.
Oh wow.
It's like glass? I think it's glass.
yeah, that's
Yeah,
broken glass. Yeah.
mirror glass.
I'm like vibing to this for sure. Wow. Wow.
Wow. Don't be late.
Oh my gosh, this is beautiful.
Wow, you guys are so talented. Look at you. Amazing.
Oh my gosh, this is nice. Nice one,
Wow.
Matisa. Oh my
Creative.
god, I'm blown away.
I mean,
Wow, wow.
Matisa. Definitely some Be Awesome extra XP for Matisa. That,
Yeah.
wow. The chat is going nuts over here. Look at this.
Um,
Very, very cool. Thank you
I
for making that.
yeah, I think Matisa is Masa right now on YouTube. I don't know.
Oh, Masa, is that you?
Oh,
Is that you? Because we are really touched by that piece, for sure. That stands out in a very serious way. Thank you. Let us know your we'll find out who your Discord username is, because that deserves some extra XP for sure. That was awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. There's a song? Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, we're gonna have to
Clock ticks once, no time to stall. Microchains answer the call. Market shift with every line. Games ignite in real-time design. From zero state to deploy. Watch your logic multiply. Lyra's rails run clean and true. What you build becomes brand new. Build in real-time, Liner is the future. Code it fast with big 50K on the line. Mentorship look from the core team's view.
Wow. That's so cool.
He's
So,
going.
No, you guys are really like next level.
I told you by the end of the community hour you would
so
understand.
you need to experience it, Paxi.
Seriously, this is like, I'm blown away.
All right, wait. We still have 2 sections left. So novelty section. What is the novelty? Always blows me away. Okay, let's go. Zenitsu. What we got here?
There's more.
Oh my goodness. Cute.
Oh,
Very
wow.
cool.
That's nice.
Okay, Shoop. Hey, Shoop's in the chat. What's up, Shoop? You ready?
Hey, Shoop.
I see you, Shoop.
Yeah.
All right, what we got?
Hey.
Open the door. Boom. Cool.
Ooh, nice.
I love 3D worlds. I want another novelty by Juice. Just.
Is Linera protocol activated?
Oh my. Oh my god.
I am ready.
10 meters to the right. 3 seconds.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
Falling child.
Don't be late. In real time.
In real time. Wow. Wow.
You're saving
Oh,
things
that
now.
was really good.
AI videos are so funny. Don't be late. Didn't even say. That's awesome. Okay, is it meme time? It's meme time. All right, the best. We're already at 10, so I'm sorry we're going late because we saved the best for last. The meme challenge, led by the meme queen.
Drum rolls, guys. Shout out to our meme lords, Roy Crypto, Ignat Milos, Q911, Jalexos, and Johnny Calconi. The team for last week was Microchains made me do it. So I won't lie. This week, I'm blaming everything on Microchains. They are the reason I stayed up late, the reason I refreshed my screen 20 times, the reason Wave 2 builders are acting like they've seen the future. Microchains are too smooth, too fast, too real time, and now we are all behaving somehow. So show us the things you did because Microchains made you do it. Chaos, confection, comedy, drop it all. So let's go.
Nice.
Uh-oh.
From,
What happened?
okay.
What? Hold on. Slideshow. There he is. Is that right?
Yeah. From Abofazi, how are your dabs so fast? Microchains made me do it.
Can't help it.
Drop your ratings, guys. Is it a 1, a 5, 7, 6? Let's see your ratings in the comments. So yeah,
Yeah.
let's go. From Rocky to
I was extremely drunk that day. Oh my god.
I feel like that's my dog.
It's a
My God, that's my
9.5
dog.
for me. 9.5. Oh my, this is so funny.
Roy Crypto always makes us laugh. One of the original meme lords.
The price of each kind. From Mute.
Welcome to episode 155 of How Far Can I Throw This?
No,
This is a newborn.
no, this isn't funny.
Did you think I was actually going to throw?
Oh no! Oh, my stream. Oh no.
You people.
My little boy. I'm still trying to get him to say microchains. He's not quite there yet, but he's starting with hi, and microchains is coming.
Yeah.
Johnny Falcone. Sometimes life makes you stop a project to start another.
This is actually a good video.
I'm gonna give this a 9, honestly. This is funny.
If you can't tell, he was taking a shower or some sort of, washing himself and then took a break to do something else. Just like, that's pretty funny.
Microchains made me good.
How do you think of these things?
Guys are meme lords, Danny. So what do you expect?
I know the meme lords are just they're on a different level. All right, Tesla 360.
I'm Tesla.
Larry, what the hell are you doing? Larry! Larry, you conscious. Oh, you're right. Larry!
Oh my gosh. What?
No way.
It's a lot of slapping.
No way.
There's a lot of violence going on. Kind of hard to see, but yeah. All right, here we go.
Michaelu, you know the live song. I got Game of Life on Linera's mic.
Oh my god. Nah, this is the 10 over 10 meme for me. This is so good.
Oh, more Johnny Calcone. One is not enough.
So let mercy come and wash away.
The Team Microchains. Welcome everybody to the Community Hour.
Oh my god.
This is what's going on.
My apologies, guys. That's Bula BTC. That's
Bula
BTC, not
BTC?
Johnny. Yeah, I'm so sorry. That's Bula BTC, yeah.
This is such a good meme.
That's a very good meme. And definitely a theme that has come up again and again and again of we've seen very similar themes. That's great. Okay, Illuminat Milos. Okay, if you can't read it, it says random Web3 Explorer is that guy. Okay, draw. And then this guy, and this is me. Random me. And then he says, I think you'll be interested to know how many fast transactions in an error process in the time it took me to walk up to you.
It's gonna blow your mind.
If you've never been in the men's bathroom, This is a very, very awkward moment. It's me in the picture right here. It's pretty funny. It's pretty funny.
From
First
atoms,
Conway.
then everything else.
She's in her bridal dress.
This is on their wedding day.
This was our wedding night.
Says no.
The Conway comes first.
Mute.
How the fuck are you so fast? Microchains made me do it.
Oh, nice.
Sweet.
Cool.
Nice.
Nice.
Cool.
Bula BTC again. I was only curious about Linera. Then I learned about microchains.
It's a version of getting red pilled right there.
I think this is the story of a lot of people in the community.
Yeah, for sure.
First get curious and then, you know.
JB Rash, it's quite hard to move in public place these days. Still, I remember the last incident when they found out I'm a Linera. You guys know what happened. You can see it in the lady's mouth. Danny doesn't understand the meme.
No.
Oh my god. No comment. No comment from me. No comment.
That was what happened. Their tongues is so obvious, Danny.
Is it related to the SpongeBob?
Yeah.
Yes.
You remember the last incident when they found out he's a Lineran? It's obvious. Danny,
I don't think
you
Danny gets to be.
It's fine.
You can explain it to me in the chat. I don't get it. It's okay. That happens from time to time. Well, this has been fun.
Yeah.
Paxi, any
Don't explain it to me. I feel I'm gonna get sick.
Yeah, right. Exactly. That's the community hour, Paxi. That's what we do.
Wow. I didn't expect this.
On a weekly basis. The amount of content that gets created from this community every single week is seriously mind-blowing and so much fun.
There's a lot of love there.
Yeah.
Right? There's a lot of love in this room.
Yeah. And look in their mouth. That's the advice. So thank you guys so much for being here and joining us on this community hour, even if it's super late where you are. Paxi, thank you for joining us and hanging out with us. Very fun to have you here.
Thank you, Paxi.
Josiah, Jules, love you guys.
Thank you, guys. Love you guys too.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Paxi.
Thank you.
I'll see you guys next week.
Yep. Let's
All
dance
right.
it out.
Let's dance it. Oh!
Join Linda at first. Thank me later.